Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the class on risk management and derivative. So I like to welcome everyone for this class where we're going to discuss very important case study. As you can aware about that in this subject called risk management and derivative as proposed by Bangalore University, you need to understand, guys, the maximum question is coming from risk analysis on capital budgeting. Guys, if you see all your previous year question paper, I believe you have understood, you have analyzed. It is very important that as a finance student, you should analyze. You would have analyzed this very clearly that the maximum questions are coming from the chapter called risk analysis on capital budgeting. For that reason, only we are spending so much time on working on this chapter called risk analysis on capital budgeting. And in order to continue a journey, today we'll discuss 2018 case study, which came for 15 marks for you. So last class, I gave you a kind of introduction with regard to this case study. So there's a company, there's a sport good manufacturer companies there. That company with doing has done some collaboration with some software house, and then they are considering the launch of new sporting stimulator, which is based on the videotapes linked to the personal computers, enabling much more greater realism to be achieved. So I think you can understand stimulator and all. I have talked about operation research. In the operation research, we talked about construction of a mathematical model, and then we do the testing of that mathematical model. So somewhat like that, it's nowadays winning the match is getting more and more important. So a lot of money is put on that. Lot of what you say value is being there. So a lot of brand values is it's attached to the particular game. So now the game is not about winning or losing. It's not like probability of winning 1/2, probability of losing 1/2. Now that is now in reality nowadays, it is much more beyond it. Now it's not simply 1/2, 1/2. It's like you have to win at any cost. So for that, a lot of what you say scenario analysis is being worked on. So by using artificial intelligence, this company has planned to come up with respect to games like cricket and football. This company has planned to came up with a simulator which can give you real like scenario, and like as what happens in a match. And then when the match is not actually happening, the preparation of the player for the match, these artificial intelligence is going to help them. So now for that, the two proposals are being considered for this company sport good manufacturer there. So if they're confused that like should they come up with this football simulator, or they should come up with the cricket stimulator, which can give us more value. That is what they're confused with, and they want to do proper analysis for that regard. So both use the same production facility. So either you work on football simulator artificial intelligence program, or you work on cricket simulator. More or less, both of them are working on the same production facilities. Okay, and they have more or less similar limitation. And then as per the company, they came up with few estimates with regard of the volumes, like how many units they may manufacture with respect to each domain, and what would be the probable selling price and variable cost, fixed selling and administrative cost. All that basic mental mathematical mapping they have done in. And now based upon that, now what the firm is thinking about, the firm want a minimum profit of 2 lakh rupees per year. Okay, that is what the minimum, the threshold what the firm is looking for. This is just an artificial example. Please do not correlate with the real life example. So as per the firm, at any scenario, they don't want to make sure that their profit go below 2 lakh rupees per annum. So that is what the firm is looking for. Either they work on football simulator, or either they work on cricket simulator, their profit should not go the profit should not go below 2 lakh rupees. That should be there with the firm. Okay, the management recognize the uncertainty in above estimates. You know that, right? Although you are looking for now, the management, either the management will work on the football simulator, or the management work on cricket simulator. They want a minimum profit of 2 lakh rupees per annum, and 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 they are factors which can positively or negatively can impact the judgment of the firm. Those factors can be either their volumes, what they're going to manufacture. Those factors can be the selling price. Those factors can be the production cost, fixed production cost, fixed selling and administrative cost. You know that these factors. So what they want you to analyze this given scenario. They want you to calculate the expected profit in each case for each product. And then what they're looking for to determine the critical value for each variable. Okay, so so critical value for each variable means here you can change the volume, here you can change the selling price, here you can change variable cost, here you can change fixed cost. And you change one variable, keep other variable same, making sure that your operating profit is equal to 2 lakh rupees. So when is this gonna happen? So that is what you need to do, guys. So I've done already this. I solved it already. You can see that this data is given to you. Annual volume. This is a 40,000 for football simulator per unit. This is 30,000 for cricket. Selling price is given to you 130 and 200. So if you multiply the sales with selling price, you will get the revenue. So the revenue in case of football simulator, in case of cricket simulator, then they have given you the variable production cost, the variable cost per unit they have given you. So if you multiply the variable cost per unit with the annual volume, here assuming that the number of unit what they manufacture is equal to the number of unit what they sell. So with that, I'll get the total variable cost. Total variable cost is nothing but number of unit what they manufacture into variable cost per unit. Now, if you subtract the total variable cost from the revenue, you will get the contribution. Contribution for football simulator, contribution for cricket simulator. Now, from this, if you subtract your fixed cost, you know that you will get the operating profit. In both the case, your operating profit is 9,50,000 and 10,50,000. See this, do this calculation in your notebook. Ask me if you have any doubt. Everyone, please see this. So whatever is there in green color, what I highlighted in green color, that data was given to us, and whatever is done in yellow color, that is the calculation from my end. Very simple calculation I have done. I simply found the profit. You know the profit very well. Profit formula is revenue minus cost. Here the costs are of two types. You have fixed cost and you have variable cost. Okay, so here you have two forms of cost. You have fixed cost and you have variable cost. Now, when we talk about profit, sorry, when we talk about profit, sorry, when we talk about profit, then here this you can understand. They've given you fixed cost in two types. They've given you fixed production cost and fixed selling and general expenses. So they have divided their fixed cost in two parts. So you can also do the same thing. Fixed production cost plus fixed selling and administrative expenses. So these are indirect costs. You understand? No, this is direct cost. This is indirect cost. You know about cost management. So fixed production cost is a direct cost. Fixed selling and administrative expenses, that is indirect cost, plus the variable cost, the total variable cost you will get by the formula. Okay, the total variable cost, you can get the formula called variable cost per unit into your sales. So here I'm assuming that the number of unit what you are manufacturing is equal to the number of unit what you are selling. Then revenue also you can bifurcate revenue. You can say revenue is equal to sales into selling price per unit. With that you'll got the revenue. Revenue minus fixed production cost plus fixed selling and administrative expense plus variable cost per unit plus variable cost per unit into your sales. With this, you'll get the cost. Clear, everyone? So with this formula, you will get the profit. I hope you people understood this. Anyone, any doubt? Can I go ahead? Then guys, what they have asked you, the first part of the question was like that, to calculate the expected profit from each product. Okay, then they ask you to calculate the critical value for each variable. Then the next thing what they ask you is to calculate the critical value for each variable. Okay, the value at which the firm will earn 2 lakh rupees. Next thing they ask you, you have to find the critical value for each variable. So here the the variables, what we need to take is your annual volume, your selling price per unit, your fixed cost, all that you need to consider here. And while when you change one variable, we'll assume the other variable to be constant. Okay, guys. So and we need to make sure at what threshold value you get the profit of 2 lakh rupees. That is what we need to do here. So that is what we are doing here. So if I do, suppose for football stimulator, suppose if I'm doing for football stimulator, okay, so what should be the annual volume? So my annual volume is, suppose that is equal to X. Okay, then your selling price per unit for your football stimulator is how much? Selling price per unit for the football simulator is 130 rupees. That is 130 rupees. So you can, with this you'll get the revenue. So revenue is equal to 130x. Okay, your revenue is 130x. Okay, then you can find your variable cost per unit. The variable cost per unit. Then you can find your variable cost per unit. Variable cost per unit here is 80 rupees. So you can find your total variable cost. Then you can find your total variable cost, that would be 80x. Okay. So when you subtract the total variable cost from your revenue, when you subtract your total variable cost from your revenue, okay, so what we get, we call this as a contribution. Contribution would be 130x minus 80x, that would be equal to 50x. So your contribution would be 50x. Now what you can do, guys, from this contribution, you can subtract your total fixed cost. Okay, so your fixed costs are given two forms, direct cost and indirect cost. So your fixed cost is given to you as, this is 40,000, that is okay, 130, 80, yeah, that is 6 lakh. This is plus your 4,50,000 indirect cost, 4,50,000. So your total fixed cost you got is 50,000. That is your fixed cost, fixed direct cost plus fixed indirect cost. So you get the operating profit, guys. Your operating profit here is equal to 50x minus 10,50,000. Can you understand this? I did do for football simulator. Anyone, any doubt? Now this value what I got, 50x minus 10,50,000. This value should be equal to 2 lakh. This value I got, this value should be equal to 2 lakh. So this would be 50 equal to, this would be 12,50,000. Okay. So I can write 50 as 100 by 2x is equal to 12,50,000. 0, 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So x is equal to 1500 into 2. So the value of this would be 250,000. Clear everyone? The value of this x is equal to 25,000. I want a threshold value for this that should be equal to 2 lakh. I want the threshold value of this which should be equal to 2 lakh. So with this, we'll find the value of the x. Done everyone? Anyone, any doubt? So this I did for football simulator. The same thing I can do for cricket simulator also. Done? Anyone, any doubt? Same thing I can do for cricket also, guys. So I hope you are understanding. You need to change each variable, and by changing each variable, you need to see the impact. Like you need to find out the minimum volume. You need to find out the minimum volume. You need to find the minimum selling price. You need to find the minimum variable cost per unit. You have to change all variable. You're seeing that at what value you're getting the operating profit of 2 lakh rupees. Clear? Yes or no? Are you understanding? So I've done the same thing in MS Excel. I've done the same thing in MS Excel. So here what I did, I just got for this tool 25,000. Cricket, if you do, you'll get 21,500. How to do that? You simply change that value. Rest other values are same value. No? Are you getting me? Rest other values are same value. No? You can put anything. I can put X also, like the way how we do. But in Excel, if I put X, you understand. If you have basic knowledge of Excel, you understand it will show you error. So I just put any dummy value, suppose 1. Then what I'll do, I'll put my cursor on the operating profit. I'll go to data, Alt A. Under data, I'll go to what if analysis W. Alt A, then W, what if analysis, and then goal C. Set cell, which cell? This cell. To what value? 2 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By changing what cell? by changing annual volume. That is what you want, you're working on. Press OK. Got the value 21,500. Very easy in Excel, but you can't use Excel. No? In exam, you have to do by taking X and all. Clear, everyone? Anyone? Same thing if I do for cricket simulator. Same thing if you want me to do for cricket simulator, you'll get 21,500. Cricket simulator. So the annual volume for the cricket simulator is that the selling price is 200 and 100. This is 200. The selling price is 200. Revenue would be 200x. So your revenue would be 200x. Then variable cost per unit is 100 per unit. This is 100. So your total variable cost will be 100x. So your contribution will be how much? Your contribution will be 200x minus 100x. That would be 100x. And your total fixed cost is how much? So total fixed cost is for cricket is 6 lakh and 13 lakh 50,000. 6 lakh and 6 lakh and 13 lakh 15,000. 6 lakh same and 13 lakh 15,000. 13 lakh 50,000. So this is 13 lakh 50,000. So 13 lakh 50,000 and 6 lakh. This is 19 lakh 50,000. This is 19 lakh 50,000. So your operating profit will be 100x. Operating profit would be 100x minus 19 lakh 50,000. So this 100x one minute. So this is 100x minus 19 lakh 50,000 is equal to 2 lakh. So this would 100x would be equal to 21 lakh 50,000. So x is equal to 21,500. Clear, everyone? Anyone, any doubt? Guys, please reply. Anyone have any doubt? Now the same way, once I change here, I change the annual volume, then I have to do the same way, doing the calculation for change in selling price, so that I'll get the minimum profit of 2 lakh. Like the same way I have to change the variable cost. So like the way I did. So here, if you notice, I've changed my selling price for both football and cricket simulator to get the operating profit of 2 lakh rupees. That is your end objective. So here the variable what I've changed is the selling price. And the output is should be 2 lakh in both the case. That is what the minimum threshold value what the firm is looking for. Anyone, any doubt? Like the same way I'll change the variable cost per unit. Like the way, I hope you people are understanding, right? So if I have to change the, if I see the minimum selling price per unit, the minimum selling price per unit, the minimum selling price per unit, which can give operating profit of 2 lakh, which can give an operating profit of 2 lakh. So if I want to do, so here maybe if I'm doing for football simulator, maybe if I'm doing for football simulator, so Same like guys, I have to do same like. So annual volume is given. Annual volume is given to us. Annual volume is for football stimulator is 40,000, and then selling price per unit I assume is X. So I'll find the revenue. So the revenue is 40,000 X. Okay. Then your variable cost per unit is given to you, and that is given to you is 80 per unit. Okay, so the total variable cost will be uh, what 32, no 32, 3 lakh, uh, 32, and then how many 50, no? Yeah, 32 lakh or what? 80 into 40,000, 8 fours are 32, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1 minute, 5, 0, so 32 lakh. Okay, this is your total variable cost. So you can find the contribution. So your contribution will be 40,000 X minus 32 lakh. Okay, I hope you understood. Now I'll subtract the fixed cost. So here two forms of fixed cost is given. Fixed production cost, which is your direct cost. So fixed production cost, that is 6 lakh if I'm not wrong. And then you have fixed selling and administrative expenses. So that is equal to 4,50,000, 4,50,000. So total fixed cost you are getting, total fixed cost you are getting is 10,50,000, 10,50,000. So if you subtract the total fixed cost from the contribution, you will get the operating profit. Operating profit is equal to 40,000 X minus 32 lakh. Okay, 10,50,000 you subtracted, 10,50,000 you subtracted. Okay, so 10,50,000 you subtracted, so you'll get 40,000 X minus 42 lakh 50,000. Okay, this is your operating profit, guys. I want this operating profit to be equal to 2 lakh. I want this operating profit to be 2 lakh, right? This is what I'm looking for, right? So this value, I want this value to be equal to 2 lakh. That is what to do. No? Critical value we are trying to determine. So if we are trying to make this equal to 2 lakh, I want this operating profit to be equal to 2 lakh. So I just need to do simple calculation. So 40,000 X is equal to, this is 42 lakh 50,000. So this will be 44 lakh 50,000. And then the value of X would be 44 lakh 50,000 divided by 40,000. So the value of X is equal to 445 by 4. So this will be equal to 111, then 10, 111.25. That should be your selling price per unit. You can see here, guys, 111.25. Clear? Can you understand this? So I have done all this thing in Excel by using command what if analysis. In exam you can't do, so you have to do step by step like this. So I did for football simulator, you have to do, then for cricket simulator, you can do both of them simultaneously. So then you have to first change the selling price per unit, and with that you'll see at what value you'll get a minimum profit of 2 lakh. Same way you have to do for variable cost per unit. So again, at what variable cost per unit you can get operating profit of 2 lakh, you can see this value, Alt HB, Alt HFC. You can see these values, guys. Clear, right? So again, you can do this work. I hope you can understand. Same thing you have to repeat again. So at what variable cost per unit you get a minimum profit of 2 lakh rupees. Okay. Then again you have to do for fixed cost. Here, because they have not mentioned in the question which for fixed cost should I take, like direct cost or indirect cost. So I did on total cost. Okay. So you can, if you want, you can again spend one more step. You can do fixed production cost, then you can do on fixed selling and general administrative expenses. You can do that, but I just did on fixed cost. Okay, so ultimately I got this. This is my final outcome. So at what you like one variable I'm changing, making other variable constant. So at what in annual volume or selling price of or variable production cost or at total fixed cost, I'm getting is minimum sale of 2 lakh rupees, minimum profit of 2 lakh. These are those threshold values. This would be your final answer. Anyone, any doubt? Any question, anyone? Anyone, any question? So I have shown you example where I change the selling price per unit. I change the annual volume. Like that you can do for variable cost. You can do for fixed cost. Any doubt, anyone? Please ask me. Anyone have any question? Ask me. Anyone have any question? Like the way now the way we change the selling price per unit, fixed cost per unit. Now you do same way variable cost. I'll do for cricket stimulator. Same way, same data you repeat again. What is I'm doing for cricket, okay? So you have to do for both. I'm just doing an example. Annual volume for cricket is how much? Annual volume for cricket, same like this, 30,000. Just put the data, put everything like the same because you are working on variable cost. So here put the variable cost is X. Nothing, you just need to use your common sense. Annual volume is 30,000, selling prices 200, selling prices 200, and then you can find your revenue. Your revenue would be what? Multiply the selling price with the annual volume. 3 2s are 6. How many zeros? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 million or 60 lakh. That is your revenue. Then variable cost per unit. That is what you need to find. Put this as X. So what would be your total variable cost? That would be 30,000 X. Same like this. Same step you need to follow. Then what would be your contribution? Your contribution will be 60 lakh minus 30,000 X. Then subtract total fixed cost. Total fixed cost is how much? 6 lakh plus 4 lakh 50,000, 10 lakh 50,000. Subtract 10 lakh 50,000 from it. If you subtract 10 lakh 50,000 from it, you will get operating profit of 60 lakh minus 30,000 X minus 10 lakh 50,000. So 10 lakh 50,000, 60 minus 10 is 50. So, and then again 50,000. So 49,500. 49 lakh 50,000. And 60 lakh minus 10.5. 0.5, this is 9. 49 lakh 50,000 minus 30,000 x. Minus 30,000 x. That is equal to 2 lakh. This is what you are looking for. So 49 lakh 50,000. 49 lakh 50,000. So 49 lakh 50,000 minus 2 lakh is equal to 30,000 x. So 49 lakh 50,000, and this would minus 2 lakh would be 47 lakh 50,000 divided by 30,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. So you just do this. 1s are 17. 17 means 5s are 25 means 8s are. Then 10, 158.33, something like that. This you are getting is variable cost 128, 1 meter. So this would be 60 lakh, correct? Then total variable cost per unit you have to determine. This would be 30,000 x, correct? 60 lakh minus 30,000 x. Acha, cricket. Sorry, guys. Total fixed cost I have by mistake I have taken for football. So the total fixed cost you take for cricket, that would be 19 lakh 50,000. That would be 19 lakh 50,000. This would be 90 lakh 50,000. 19 lakh 50,000. So this would be 60 minus 19.60 minus 19.5. So this is 0.5990 and 990. Then this would be 40 lakh 50,000. So this would be how much? This 19 lakh 50,000, right? This would be 40 lakh 50,000. 40 lakh 50,000 minus 30,000 x is 2 lakh. So 40 lakh minus 2 lakh will be 40 lakh minus 2 lakh. So 40 lakh minus 2 lakh would be how much? 40 lakh minus 2 lakh. 40 lakh 50,000 minus 2 lakh would be 38 lakh 50,000, and this you'll divide by 30,000. Then just cancel. This would be 1, 2, 6, then 25, 128.33 something. Clear? 128.33. Clear, everyone? So I hope you understood, guys. Very simple problem. One of the most simplified problem we have seen here. I hope you understood what all we have done in this class. With that intention, I like to wind up the class. So any doubt, anyone? Can we wind up the class? So thank you, everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye, everyone.